Well, welcome back. So, as you can see, this is part 2, and we're going to finish in completing and finalizing our corpseified or corpsing done on our jack-o'-lantern. So I have these extra lights that I want to replace the old ones, and then I put an index cover and just use some hot glue on it to ensure that it stays in place and it's secure. And this is how it looks from the outside. Very nice, good orange color. I like how it looks. Now, this is the first light being put in position by the hot glue. You can always change this at any point in time. Even when you're done, you can always go back and change it out, which is great. So this is the second light put in position, and then I was trying to figure out what to do with all the excess lights, and I came up with a great idea. I'm using this plastic clear cover, and with this cover on there, it just makes it safe from not burning myself from the lights or breaking the lights. So in the back here, you want to bore out a hole in order to pull the cord through, and then the plastic piece that comes out with it, go back and hot glue it in place. Then this will give you this nice clean look to it. And I'm just using my drill as a weight to hold down the cover as the glue cools down. Alright, so I just want to wish you good luck on your project. Be safe out there and have fun just creeping out everything that you're doing for Halloween. Well, I hope you liked what you've seen, and if you did, smash that like button. And for all you creepy creators out there, I just want you to be safe, and I thank you for watching. See you on the next video.